Hey y'all, I hope y'all are doing well on today. So I am coming through to show you all this wig I was sent from Upgradeu. Right here I'm just showing you guys the goodies that came in my packaging. I love the goodies. And here is the wig. I was sent a 13x4 lace front wig in a deep wave texture. I got a 26-inch, and this is a 180% density. I want to say the lace on this is giving transparent, and as you can see, it is a lace front, so you get about an inch of space on the sides and then about 4 inches in the middle. So I decided to do a half up half down style, and I did do my install the glueless way with using even hairspray, and I also used spritz. I did bleach the knots on this wig, and the knots were kind of stubborn on this wig. I actually went in twice to try to lighten my knots, and they lightened, but I wish they would have lightened a little bit more. And I did, of course, go in and pluck this wig. I believe it came pre-plucked, but I would say, in my opinion, if you got this wig, you would definitely need to go in and pluck if you choose, because I know some people do like fuller hairlines. So if you like fuller hairlines, then you may like the hairline as is. But somebody like me who likes a more scalpier look, I would prefer to go in and pluck it. And it was a little hard for me to pluck my hairline on this wig, but I was able to get it done. But all in all, the hair on this wig was very soft and very pretty. I love the deep waves on this wig. Y'all know I love me some wavy curly hair. And for it to be 180% density, I thought that the wig was nice and full. So I had no issues about that. With my little half up ponytail that I did, one thing I would say, because I was only able to like work with that little space in the middle, I would have preferred to add a bundle to my wig for me to have a fuller ponytail, but I didn't have any bundles on hand that matched this texture. So I went in and tried to like tease the hair and fluff it up to make it work. So I was able to do what it do, or make it, try to finesse it. But I would have preferred to add a bundle to my ponytail to give it some extra va-va-voom and extra fullness. But other than that, the wig was really nice. Again, I love the texture. The hair was really soft. I had no complaints outside of the knots not changing how I would have liked them to, and the hairline being a little fuller than I prefer. But again, to each his own. So I do hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'm gonna let you guys just watch and enjoy. Big shout out and thank you to Upgradeu for allowing me to try out this wig. I really appreciate you all as well, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.
She had a gap.